Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a 32-inch LED TV. Here in this TV, the default LED strip is not available in the market. Here this TV comes for backlight related fault. So here actually the default LED strip is not available in the market. So here we decided to install alternate LED strip. So here you can see a small difference in the socket. So here we need to solder the connections directly. Here each individual LED is of 3 volt, total 6 LEDs in one LED strip. Here you can see the only difference in socket, otherwise the position of the LEDs are correct. So see friends, here we soldered the connection wires instead of connecting the wires in sockets. See friends, here we keep the original sockets. Here you can see now these alternate LED backlights are working properly. Now we need to fix this. See friends, here you can see these LED strips are fitted properly in the reflector sheet. Now we can put the panel, diffuser sheet, panel and the panel frame back to TV. See friends, here we finally fixed all connections. Now all sockets are connected. We connected the LVDS cable, everything back to TV. Now let us turn on the TV and check the picture. You can see now the display is correct and the backlights are working properly. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.